everyone, this is the 17th learning material in the lecture series of programming in C language. This is our third module, getting started, and subsection that we will be discussing is operators. Let's begin with the module. Friends, in our previous sessions we saw relational, equality and logical operators in C. Today we will learn about some more operators in C language. We will start our discussion with unary operators. C includes a class of operators that act upon a single operand to produce a new value. Such operators are known as unary operators. Unary operators usually precede their single operands, though some unary operators are written after their operands. Unary operators have a higher precedence than arithmetic operators. The unary operators are listed in the table. For performing minus sign operation, we use minus sign operators in C. For performing increment operation, we use plus sign operation in C. For performing decrement operation, we use minus sign operators in C. For getting the size of the operand in bytes, we use size of operator in C. Sometimes the cast and logical NOT operators are also considered in unary operators. Let's understand how to use the unary operators in C language. We will see some ways to use these operators. The increment operator is used to increment the value stored in the defined memory location by unity, that is by 1. Syntax: num plus plus. The decrement operator is used to decrement the value stored in the defined memory location by unity, that is by 1. Syntax: num minus minus. Num plus plus command means num is equal to num plus 1. Num minus minus command means num is equal to num minus 1. The minus sign is pretty much straightforward as it is used to define a negative valued number. It is just added before the number and converted to the negative valued number. Syntax: int space num is equal to minus 24. The size of operators return the size of its operand in bytes. The size of operator always precedes its operand. The operand may be an expression or it may be a cast. Syntax: size of space identifier. Let's move on and learn one more important operator in C, that is shorthand operator. Operators which are easy to write and read are termed as shorthand operators. These operators are more concise to use. As there are a total of 5 arithmetic operators, hence there are 5 shorthand operators in C language. Syntax: identifier space operator space identifier. Let's consider the two identifier A and B with some random values placed inside these memory location and understand the meaning of all 5 operators listed in the below given table. First, A plus is equal to B. Meaning of this operator is A is equal to A plus B. Second, A minus is equal to B. Meaning of this operator is A is equal to A minus B. Third, A star is equal to B. Meaning of this operator is A is equal to A star B. Fourth, A slash is equal to B. Meaning of this operator is A is equal to A slash B. Fifth, A% equal to B. Meaning of this operator is A is equal to A% B. Now let's actually get the hands down on the programming. For this entire section we will be following some common outline. In this activity, programmer have the freedom to choose any of the apps from the downloaded 2 apps. Depending on the app, there are 2 different outlines. For all the programs that we will be discussing in this section, the lines are written in the red color will be the same and is necessary to write for each program. Only the black colored lines will be different as per the requirement. We are going to discuss some example of the above discussed type of operator, that is unary operator and shorthand operator. Here, let's try to understand the use of unary operators with the help of few examples. In the first example, we have initialized the integer type of location with the name count. In this program, we have specified the data type of the used memory location along with the assigned value to it, that is count is equal to 1. We have used the printf command to print the value present in the count, that is the value initialized to the count during the data type declaration. Then we have used the unary operator count plus plus. This operator will increment the value of count by 1. The output will be printed as value after the command is 2. Here, let's see some more example of unary operators. In the first example, we have initialized the integer type of location with name count. In this program, we have specified the data type of the used memory location along with the assigned value to it, that is count is equal to 10. We have used in the printf command to print the value present in the count, that is the value initialized to the count during the data type declaration. Then we have used the unary operator count minus minus. This operator will decrement the value of count by 1. The output will be printed as value after the command is 9. In the second example, we have initialized the float type of location with name A and B. We have used in the printf command to print any two numbers. Then we have used the unary operator a plus is equal to b. This operator will add the two numbers a and b and will save the value in the memory location with the name a. Let's enter the two number as a is equal to 4.5 and b is equal to 6.3. Then the answer will be displayed as addition of the above two number, that is 10 plus 8, 5 times 0. Now let's understand the use of size of operator using one example. In this example, we have initialized the float type of location with name f and character type of location with name ch. In this program, we have specified the data type of the used memory location along with the assigned value to it, that is f is equal to 3.14 and char ch is equal to a. To get the memory occupied by each type of data, we use size of operator in the printf command. The output will be displayed as memory occupied by the float type is 4 bytes. Memory occupied by the char type is 1 bytes. So in this way, we have learned and understand the use of unary and shorthand operator in C. Use the apps and IDEs to write and run the program discussed in this section. Here we have finished the hands-on part of this subsection.